Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Clockify guide for 2026, I'll show you how to use Clockify for remote teams. Whether your team works from different cities, countries, or time zones, Clockify can help you track work hours, manage projects, monitor productivity, and improve collaboration. So let's get started. First, create a Clockify workspace for your organization. The workspace acts as the central location where team members can track time, manage projects, and access reports. Once your workspace is ready, invite your team members. You can add employees, contractors, freelancers, or project collaborators using their email addresses. Next, create projects for your clients, departments, teams, or internal initiatives. Organizing work into projects makes it easier to track progress and analyze team performance. Within each project, create tasks to break larger projects into manageable pieces. This allows team members to log time against specific activities and responsibilities. Now ask each team member to track their work using the Clockify timer. They can enter a task description, select the appropriate project, and start the timer whenever they begin working. And that's how to use Clockify for remote teams. By organizing projects, tracking work hours, monitoring productivity, and reviewing detailed reports, your team can stay aligned and productive no matter where they work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.